Hey guys, it's Kyle, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to make a ton of money during a market crash and how to be prepared for one. So follow me along and I'll tell you all the tips I know. First thing you want to do in case of a market crash is you want to have a lot of money on the side. Roughly 20% of your portfolio would be optimal, because if your favorite stock falls like Apple and you know it's worth trading at $130 a share and now it's $50 a share, what are you going to do? You can also obviously hold on to your stock, or you can buy more into it at a really, really cheap price. Like as you saw earlier in this year when COVID first started, you can make a lot of money because it dropped a lot. Another thing that you can do is have your money into good stocks. Really good stocks that you think can last long term and are really good companies that have stable managers and that make steady income. Like for example, Apple in my previous example. If you invest in Apple, it'll steady go up, and even during a crash, you know it'll pull through because they make a good product. And if you don't want to just pick normal companies, then you can choose something like an ETF like VOO or SPY, or even a leverage index fund like what I use. What I use, a really good leverage index fund that's really reliable, is UPRO, is the ticker symbol. It's just 3x of the S&P 500 VOO, and in the past year, I've made almost 50%. And the last thing you can do is just not sell any of your stocks. Unless they're really bad stocks that are going to go bankrupt, you want to sell those and get those out of here now, because you already know that they could go bankrupt in case of COVID happening again. You want to get something that's really reliable and you don't want to sell. Something like what Warren Buffett does with Berkshire Hathaway and his investments. He holds on to them because he knows Coca-Cola isn't going to go bankrupt during COVID. You want to hold on to good companies that you know have a really long-term return, and no matter what, you'll just keep on holding them even through the dip. And thank you guys for listening. Check out more of my videos, subscribe to my YouTube, go follow my TikTok, it will be in the description down below. I'm going to put 2 videos up here for you guys now. Check them out and give me a like button. Thanks guys.